Hi, this is Ryan. I'm the teacher that's having problems with the Udemy website, and I was just going to give you a quick walkthrough so you can see what I'm seeing from my side instead of a bunch of screenshots. So I'm here at the Udemy website. I'm logged in actively. Here's my account information. So when I come to my dashboard here, whenever I try to access these courses I need to take, I click on, say, the play button, and you'll notice there's no thumbnails right here. So if I was to, have access to this website without some sort of restrictions on my account, I'd be able to see thumbnails. That would be, a graphic representation what I'm getting ready to do here. And also there'd be other graphics and stuff. So I click on play to bring up the video. Whenever we want to take the course, you notice it's downloading the thumbnails. Click on the play button, and it's just going to kind of spin here for a second. Or actually not spin, it's just going to sit here, and then it's going to give me an error message just in a few seconds. You kind of notice a little flash there. Just give it a second. Tell you what, I'll pause the video until it starts back up, so that way you're not sitting here for 30-40 seconds just listen to me talk to myself. Oh, there it goes. So right here, it's going to ask me to enable Adobe Flash. I click on that. It says, do you want to run Flash? Yes, I want to allow, which I've already done, but it still won't actively let anything happen. So we come in here and we're still again on the same screen where the thumbnail's not starting up. And we click on play, and it just kind of recursively keeps doing this over and over and over again. Okay, so you can see it's flashing, and it's going to pop up with something similar. And Flash is enabled on my Chrome browser, so that's already been taken care of. Now, I'm going to send you a hyperlink to this free course over here so you can actually see this happen yourself. So if I click over here on previous course, notice I'm logged in again, so it has nothing to do with me being outside of the actual portal for Udemy. So I click on preview this course, and again it's the same issue even on this little applet window right here. And so I click on the thumbnail, and you'll notice that it's not loading there either, and there was no graphic image, and it just kind of sits there and basically times out. And again, it's like a little flash, and then we'll see what happens here. I'll pause the video so you're not sitting here watching the screen. Okay, and so this actually shows up on the other one as well. After a few tries, it's going to tell you there's a video error. It's going to ask me to go and download Flash, make sure it's updated, which I've done all those items, and it still comes to this point in time. The Udemy app on my iPad and my phone is also blocked when I'm connected through the school's network. However, outside of the school's network, it will operate correctly. So not sure what you can do to help me out here, but anything you do, I greatly appreciate your time and effort. Thanks.